Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to create a drop shadow in Photoshop. To begin, open your image in Photoshop and select the object or text you want to add a drop shadow to. As for me, I will add a drop shadow to this text here. Now, go to the layer here, this one. Please click layer and then hover over your mouse to layer style. A submenu will appear. Now all you have to do is to choose drop shadow. This will open the drop shadow dialog box. In the dialog box, you can adjust the settings to customize your drop shadow. Play with the opacity here, the distance, spread, and size to achieve the desired look. You can also change the shadow's color by clicking on the color swatch. This one. Here, you can change the color here. And once you're satisfied with your settings, click OK to apply the drop shadow. You can always go back and make adjustments by double-clicking the layer style in the layers panel. This one. So just go to drop shadow and edit the settings here again. And that's it. You now know how to create a drop shadow in Photoshop. It's a quick and easy way to add depth and dimension to your objects or text. Before you go, remember that drop shadows can enhance your designs, but moderation is key. Overusing them can make your work look cluttered. Thanks for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create a drop shadow in Photoshop. See you on my next video.